Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get your credit report using Equifax. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, I've compiled a list of different ways to get your credit report from Equifax. So the first one is to visit the Equifax website. So I'll go over there. So in Google, type in Equifax credit report and scroll down and then click on Equifax credit report here. And now from here, what you want to do is to sign in or create an account. So you can log in here. So if I go ahead and log in, and then log in, and then it'll say select the service. So I'm going to click that little drop down menu and then click on My Equifax, your credit and identity. So I'm going to click that. Now this is going to transfer me to a new page. And now put in your email address and password to sign in, and then from there, also, if you can't sign in, just go ahead and click on register now. So you don't have your credit and identity account, click register now. And then from there, you need to verify your identity. So provide the necessary information to verify your identity. Typically include your social security number, date of birth, and address history. You may also need to answer security questions. And then from there, once your identity is verified, you can request your free credit report. By law, you are entitled to one free credit report from each of the three major credit bureaus, so Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion every 12 months. So that's a good thing to know. And then, yeah, through annualcreditreport.com. And if you don't want to do that online, you can call the Equifax automated line at this number here. Follow the prompts, so follow the automated instructions to request your credit report. Be ready to provide personal information for identity verification. You can also do it by mail. So download the request form. So go to this place, this website here, annualcreditreport.com/manualrequestform.action, and download it. Fill out the form. So go ahead and fill out the form. Complete the form with your personal information and then mail the form. So send the completed form to Annual Credit Report Request Services, PO Box 105281, Atlanta, GA 30348-5281. And then from there, wait for delivery. So after mailing the form, your credit report will be mailed to you. So I've just put down some additional tips here if you want to have a quick read. So by following these steps, you can easily access your credit report from Equifax.